Hi, my name is Craig Lindner. Welcome to Granite Financial Services. I have with me my fellow director, Andrew Ramsey.
Thanks, Craig. We'd like to tell you a bit about Granite Financial Services to enable you to determine whether you think we are the right people to help you, your family or your business to solve some financial issues and achieve what you intuitively believe to be your true potential.
Granite Financial Services is a private client advisory business that specialises in advising aspirational professionals and privately held businesses, their owners and their families. Whether you are growing your wealth through a business or via passive assets such as property or shares, today's business and economic environment is dynamic, challenging and at times volatile. Access to expertise that is relevant to your particular circumstances has never been more important, particularly if you are too busy to focus on this yourself.
Having been aspiring professionals ourselves, we understand that you want to use your income earning capacity to build assets and to protect your income and your family. The key to our approach is to take as much time as necessary to understand you and your current circumstances and to explore what is possible. Once you are clear on what you wish to achieve, we develop a personal roadmap to get you there. We provide ongoing advice along the journey as your circumstances or aspirations change. As authorised financial planners, we directly assist with structures, investments, superannuation, insurance, estate planning and the like, in order to help you achieve your desired outcome.
However, there is more to Granite Financial Services than traditional financial planning, as our professional journey has traversed corporate advisory, capital markets, chartered accounting, banking and wealth advisory. We've both worked not only in Australia but offshore as well. Granite Financial Services therefore has a unique ability to help you identify opportunities and risks, and we have a network of like-minded professionals to call upon to deliver you a coherent solution. We have a particular focus on private and family businesses simply because you are so important to the prosperity of our country, and yet time and again we see that you're being neglected. Let me explain. The value of privately held and family businesses has been estimated at $4.5 trillion. This compares to the market capitalisation of the ASX of approximately $1.6 trillion. You employ more than 50% of all Australian workers, and you're entrepreneurial and innovative.
We also know that 80% of business owners intend to retire within 10 years. Approximately half intend to sell their business to a third party. The other half intend to transition their business to the next generation. In either case, many business owners feel that their business is their ultimate retirement nest egg.
We'd like to take a few minutes to highlight some of the common issues and opportunities that we see. Firstly, we often see clients' growth initiatives are not delivering as expected. For example, sometimes their businesses experience growing pains or they feel like they've hit a brick wall. Sometimes they've generated more sales but less profit. Sometimes they've generated more sales and more profit but less cash. Sometimes they've hired more staff but are more stressed. Almost always they're feeling the impact of greater competition and are searching for a greater competitive advantage. There also seems to be little understanding of the emerging opportunities to grow by acquisition, as many baby boomer business owners look to exit. The attractiveness of these acquisition opportunities is enhanced by the current interest rate environment.
Secondly, other challenges revolve around family business issues. For example, managing the family dynamic within the business and the business dynamic within the family. How do you integrate second, third or even fourth generations into your business and keep the business and family happy and coherent? Also, a lack of governance structures such as family deeds, shareholder agreements or buy-sell arrangements. This can often give rise to both family and financial issues.
A third area is where business owners are looking to exit the business. Sometimes there is limited understanding as to what drives the valuation of a business, and consequently the strategies to maximise the valuation before a sale are usually inadequate. It will therefore be important to have an effective process for the sale of your business, particularly in a marketplace which has the potential to be swamped with sellers. It's not much use saying, my business is my super, if you can't sell it at a decent price. Often we see limited understanding of the power of CGT small business concessions and their linkages with superannuation and retirement investment strategies. These can be very powerful. Many business owners are faced with making a difficult choice between selling their business to fund retirement and retaining the business to preserve the jobs of family members.
Some other issues we see include structures that leave valuable assets exposed to unacceptable or unnecessary risks. This is very common, and even more so where blended families are concerned. We also see business and investment assets often held in entities that do not maximise after-tax returns. Estate planning, insurance and superannuation strategies that don't exist or are inadequate or not compatible with each other is also common. Finally, risk concentrations are often not identified or effectively managed.
A number of the issues we've raised are explored further in other short videos on our website. Whether you are an aspiring professional or a business owner, Andrew and I both welcome the opportunity to assist you to clarify, identify and prioritise your personal, business or family financial goals. Many of these will be interconnected and will require a coherent solution, sometimes involving more than one expert. Because we develop solutions collaboratively, we believe we can add significant value. Furthermore, as we project manage the total delivery on your behalf, you can continue to focus on what you do best. Please call us at any time to arrange a no obligation meeting to explore how we're able to assist you.